Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix charging cable is not detected in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your charging cable is not detected in your phone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to go ahead to your settings. Go to software update, try to check for your phone's update, go back, and now you can retry to charge your phone. Sometimes it might be a software glitch that when your phone have any pending software update, you might see these types of software glitches in your phone. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can go ahead to your settings again, go to battery here, go to charging settings, and make sure that you have enabled these both options. Then you can try to charge your charging port because sometimes it might be that there will be any dirt or dust in your charging port, so that's unable to detect your charging cable. So you can clean your charging port. You can also try to check for your charging cable if your cable is physically damaged or not. If you might see that your charging cable is physically damaged, so you can try to repair it, or you can also try to get a new original Samsung charging cable, and after that you may not get that issue again. If you are still facing the same issues, you can try to make a restart with your device. Just click on this restart button. It will fix your software glitches with your phone. So after that, you might not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.